Imagine you run an online store and you've taken a great photo of your product, but the background is messy and distracting potential buyers. Or maybe you captured the perfect shot, only to realize later that a random person walked into the frame and ruined the moment. This is exactly where EzRemove.ai comes in. It's a powerful AI-based online platform that fixes photos in just a few seconds. The website offers a wide range of smart tools that make photo editing simple and enjoyable. And what really makes it stand out is that many of these tools are completely free. For example, the background remover you're seeing right now. It removes backgrounds with incredible precision, even with difficult details like hair strands and fine edges, areas where many other tools fail. This is especially useful for e-commerce owners who need clean, professional product images with white or transparent backgrounds, or even custom backgrounds with attractive colors to catch customers' attention. What's even better is that you're not limited to removing the background only. You can generate any background you want. Personally, I use ChatGPT to write prompts. For example, here I created a professional background for a Starbucks cup placed on a table. After uploading the image, the background is removed automatically, and I can start editing right away. Let's try a random prompt from ChatGPT, something like an editorial magazine style. I paste the prompt, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, it generated a beautiful background perfectly suited for the product. I can remove details, adjust elements, and control everything easily. Honestly, this tool includes almost everything you need for photo editing and design. I can download the final result instantly, and I can repeat the process unlimited times because this powerful feature is available for free. Now let's try the same tool with my Instagram logo. I upload the logo, and within seconds, the background is removed automatically. As you can see, the result is excellent compared to many other platforms. I've tried Canva before, but the quality here is clearly better. Now watch what happens when I replace the background. The logo instantly looks more attractive. I can also change colors directly or choose from AI-generated background suggestions. The final result looks amazing, with very high quality. And keep in mind, this is just one tool among many powerful tools available on the platform.
There's also Batch Background Remover, which allows you to upload hundreds of images at once. If you have 50 or 100 product photos, you can remove all their backgrounds simultaneously. And the speed is honestly impressive. There's also a free background replacement feature and another advanced tool designed for professional background editing. Let's test it with this Nescafe jar placed on a stone block. I created a prompt using ChatGPT and asked it to change the colors to green with some extra details. Look at the result. I also asked it to change both the background and the tiles to green, and the outcome looks extremely professional. For me, this is one of the best platforms I've tested for this type of photo editing, especially considering how fast and new the website is. You can upload images easily, and you can also enhance image quality with just one click. So who is EzRemove.ai for? This tool is designed for a wide range of users thanks to its simplicity and power. Content creators and designers who need clean visuals without watermarks for designs or social media posts. Travelers and photography lovers who want to remove people, cars, or distracting elements from their travel photos. Everyday users who want to enhance selfies, restore old family photos, or convert regular images into ultra-clear HD quality. Now let's move to the second main section of the website, AI Remover. Here we have the Magic Eraser, a tool that removes anything you don't like from an image, objects, people, or even small imperfections. The final result looks completely natural, as if the problem was never there. For example, I want to remove this car from the image. I select it using the brush, and within moments, it disappears. Even the yellow road line remains perfectly continuous. We can also use the rectangle tool to remove larger elements instantly. There's also a text and watermark remover, which deletes unwanted text or watermarks from images and even videos with one click, giving you perfectly clean visuals. After that, we move to the AI Enhancer section, which includes tools like AI Image Upscaler, AI Photo Enhancer, HD Photo Converter, Photo Restoration, Sharpen Image, and Unblur Image. All of these tools are powerful and essential, and there's honestly not enough time to test them all in one video. Finally, we have the Edit Tools section, where you get full control over every image using advanced AI models like Nano Banana, Seedream 4.0, and GPT Image 2. These are currently among the best AI tools available, so I personally don't see any reason to look for other platforms. In short, EzRemove.ai is the ultimate solution for anyone who wants to turn a ruined photo into a professional result in just 3 to 5 seconds, fully automatically. You'll find the website link in the first comment and in the description box, so go ahead and try everything yourself.